Hello student, how are you? Once again I am with you. Today we will discuss about the class 12 biology chapter 5 principle of inheritance and variation part 2nd. This is the part 2nd of chapter 5. Today we will discuss about the law of segregation. We know about the law of dominance. Today we will discuss about mainly law of segregation. We know about the law of dominance. In F1 generation, all plant were tall. In F1 generation, all plant were tall. You can see here that this is the capital T and this is the capital T, small t and small t. All plant were tall in F1 generation. In F1 generation. After F1 generation, when Mendel breed the seed who obtained in F1 generation, means this plant seed, F1 generation plant seed, F1 generation plant seed. F1 generation from all tall plants. All tall plants means capital T, small t. These are the genotype. These are the genotype, but their phenotype is the tall. Phenotype was tall. Genotype was capital T, small t in F1 generation, but phenotype was tall. So F1 generation from all tall plants, capital T, small t, and selfing in it. Means in F1 generation plant seed grow and in selfing in each plant, and selfing in each plants means self pollination. There are the F2. These are the F2 generation. These are F2 generation. Means this tall plant seed grow in F2 generation and selfing. What happened? Gametes in F1 generation all plants were tall, but genotype capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So capital T, small t and capital T, small t. This is the F2 generation. This is the F2 generation. Capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, and small t, small t, and small t and small t. These are generation Mendel obtained in F2 generation. Mendel obtained in F2 generation plant ratio were 3:1. 3:1. 3/4 plant were tall. 3/4 plant were tall and 1/4 plant were dwarf. 3/4 plant 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 means 3/4 plants were tall. 1/4 plant were dwarf. You know about the square. This diagram, this color diagram is the 1/4 and this diagram, this color part is 2/4 and this color part is the 3/4. So 1, 2 and 3 plant were tall means 3/4 were tall and 1/4 this color part is the 1/4. This is the 1/4. So 1/4 plant were dwarfed means this ratio is the 3:1 ratio 1. 3/4 multiply by 100 75 and 1/4 multiply by 100 25 75 ratio 25 is equal to 3:1. So these are the 3:1. These are the 3:1. Self pollination, selfing, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t and small t. Small t plants or dwarf plants separate or segregate in F2 generation. So these are the law of segregation. These are the law of segregation, and this ratio is the 3. This is the 1. 3:1. But other ratio 3 T, capital T and small t, capital T, small t and small t, small t. These are the 1:2:1. This is also 1:2:1. These are homozygous and these are also homozygous, but capital T, small t is the heterozygous. You know about the homozygous. Such zygote, in zygote same gametes are present. Now these are the homozygous. In homozygous there are same gametes are present. So these are the homozygous. But in case of heterozygous, there are different gametes are present in zygotes. So these are the heterozygous. Suppose that homozygous. capital T and capital T, they have same gametes in zygote, so these are homozygous. Homo and capital T small t, they have different gametes. One gametes come from capital T gametes come from tall plants and small t gametes come from dwarf plant. So these are heterozygous. And capital small t and small t also homozygous. Homo, because these are also same gametes in zygote. Small t come from dwarf plants and small t come from dwarf plants. So these are homozygous. This ratio calculated by mathematics. Mendel used the mathematics in this law. So we find out the ratio of the F2 generation. Capital T and capital T, they have two gametes. Two gametes means two gametes, 2n, and also small t and small t have two gametes, because zygote is in this plant 2n, 1n and 2n. These are diploid, so 2. If we take one gamete, so T and T, two gametes, find out about one gamete. So 1 by 2 T, 1 by 2 T, one gamete, because they are diploid. So 1 by 2 T have one gamete, just like capital T and capital T have two gametes. So one gametes, 1 by 2 small t, one gamete. We find out the one gamete from tall plants and one gamete from dwarf plants. We know about the a plus b whole square. This is the a square plus b square plus 2ab. Just like 1 by 2 capital T plus 1 by 2 small t whole square equal to 1 by 4 T square plus 1 by 4 small t square plus 2 1 by 1 by 1 by 2 capital T multiplied by 1 by 2 small t. This is the 1 by 4. 1 by 4 t square plus 1 by 4 small t square plus 2 1 by 4 capital T small t. 1 by 4 capital T 1 by 4 small t and 1 by 2 capital T small t. This ratio is the 1 by 4 capital T 1 by 4 small t and 1 by 2 capital T small t. Okay. Also we write down this 1 by 4 capital T 1 by 2 capital T small t 1 by 4 small t means capital T ratio 1 by 4 ratio and capital T small t 1 by 2 ratio means they have capital T small t and small t. This ratio is the 1:2